It's your girl Rick Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell somebody else to tell their mama and a cousin that we live over here. So without further ado, y'all, I decided to get another planner, and it's for a family member. And they wanted me to, deck it out for them just a little bit. Something not too extravagant, but, something cute. So, y'all, I'm going to open this. And they wanted a little one. Something that's more on the go, more convenient than carrying the big one. So, we have this in the A6. I'm throwing stuff away as I go. It's a pink interior. Oh, and it has like a rose gold button. Oh, it has a rose gold inside. That is beautiful. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know I'll be messing up with these things right here. Come on now. Ooh, this was a tough cookie. Okay, now are you serious? Yeah, I'm over here struggling. Like, are you serious? I don't even know. Let me try to. My cell phone little thing. Come on now. This is not wanting to budge. Are you serious? Will this thing break my nail? I'm gonna be highly upset. Y'all see I'm over here struggling for real. Like, what? You know what? They should not put those there. Just don't. Life would be so much easier if they just didn't. So we have the rose gold situation right here. And I thought this was so cute. My family member wanted this simple, so we don't do it simple. And this is from AliExpress. This is in the A6, and y'all, it's very functional. So I just wanted to do something pretty cute, nothing too out there. And I purchased these from Amazon. So this is from AliExpress. Unfortunately, I can't link this, but just search plaid planner. And then I purchased these mega clips from Amazon. I can link these down below if y'all would like. Most of the time, y'all, if I mention something unless it's from AliExpress, if it's from like Amazon, Walmart, or something like that, I would try to link it down below. These are so cute. So then I did purchase this off of Amazon. You can purchase the filler insert paper for these planners on there. It probably would be cheaper on AliExpress, like if you want like certain type of themes and stuff, but I didn't want to wait. Sometimes I can be a little impatient, but it really depends on what you're looking for. Sometimes you can find them cheaper on Amazon. So this is Lolly by Lollipro is the vendor, and I thought it was cute. Something simple insert. We have the little animal print. I told myself I wasn't going to get the agenda because I like to let people pick their own agendas because I'm kind of wild and crazy when it comes to certain things. So I know the agenda as far as the, am I saying it right? The yearly agenda. Just wanted to, have that be selected. So they give you kind of two options. You get this little, like a marble blue, and then this animal print. And then right here, you can put the personal information. And my light just went out. Are you serious? So you can put like your name, address, phone number, Medicare, bank account. I wouldn't advise putting that type of information. Blood types, okay. It's a little bit too much information. Got the brown paper. And maybe this can kind of go in the middle. And then, it's like a thank you note. You also have these stickers where you can put the dates. You can fill them in as far as the month and the numbers, so that's pretty cool. And you can stick these on the pages. Let me open this paper too. And this one is just more paper, and then they give you another marble paper. And another information paper. That's weird. Like, how many information papers do you think people really need? Like, are you serious? Yeah, I don't know why my light went out, but we gonna keep it trucking over here. And then here's a little divider. It says, put me on the bottom. And these planners can be used as journals for, like, you don't have to use it as a planner. You know, I have two. I have a big one and a small one. The big one is what I use to keep my information as far as like doctor's appointments. Y'all seen it. My assignments for school and stuff like that. So you can definitely keep stuff like that in here. Or for my small one, I like to put my thoughts in there, write my, thoughts down, ideas, different content things I want to create on YouTube, and just stuff like that. Like, it doesn't have to be used for just a daily agenda planner. Like, you can just use it as a journal. Something cute. But I would say, if you're going to keep a journal, don't keep nothing too personal, because always keep in the back of your head, worst case scenario, what if you lose it, or what if somebody steal it? You don't want them to have like personal information, like your banking information and stuff, like certain things. Now definitely keep like maybe a journal or a piece of paper that has like all your passwords and stuff, because I know I forget a lot. But keep that hidden, put it up somewhere, but don't keep it in something where you're going to be carrying daily. Like, that wouldn't be a good idea. So that's that. This is so stinking cute. Something simple. Little options. Now these big pens, instead of using bookmarks to like mark your thoughts or where you left off at, you can use the big pens instead. Hold on, because I don't want to tear the paper. Oh, I'm so heavy-handed. So like, just like that. And I just thought that was so cute. I've never seen giant golden paper clips like this. Now, of course, I didn't think this was going to be rose gold. Honestly, I know what color it was, but rose gold, gold, it don't matter. It's the thought that counts. That's what they say. So, I'll put like another one in here. And y'all, everybody named Mama must have planners. I noticed that the filler paper, a lot of that stuff was saying only 1 left, 2 left, 5 left. So y'all, this is so cute. That little bookmark. I might have to use one of these bookmarks in mine. Oh, this is so cute. And then you can just close it. So y'all, I told a little fib, a little fib, but my nose ain't gonna grow like Pinocchio, you know. So this is for a family member, but it's for one of y'all. Y'all know y'all my peoples, y'all my family. Y'all know how we get down over her. So I wanted to do a giveaway. I didn't do the planner because, you know, I don't know who's going to be the winner, so I didn't want to be, I guess, gender specific. I wanted to be I wanted to come correct, basically. So I didn't want to get anything like that would offend someone. So I figured, hey, I'll just get the major thing, and then whoever wins, you can get your calendar, your agenda. So you would make sure you get an A6 agenda, and they got different ones. I just didn't know, you know. So I just wanted to, you know, do a little giveaway. And the word for this giveaway is going to be hashtag write it down. So it's going to be hashtag write like you're writing, it like it's down, like it's going down. Hey, meet me in it. It's going down. But yes, it's going to be hashtag write it down. And I just wanted to give someone I was going to say a calendar, a planner or agenda, whatever you choose to use it for, whether you just want to jot down your thoughts. It's something that's nice. You know, you can store your pen here, little notes, maybe cards, gift cards or something. Maybe you got a little gift card that you just want to keep on you. If you're out, you could, you know, spend the balance. That's how I be. Or you got a little pocket where you can put some paper in here or a receipt or something. Another pocket, you can put another pen. So you got two places where you can put pens in. So y'all, just wanted to, you know, just do something very nice because, you know I be in my mind. I know I'm not the only one to be, you know, sometimes you just find yourself stuck in your thoughts or in your mind. You just want to write stuff down, or you just want to be creative, or whether you write poetry, if you want to write a book, or if you want to write short stories, or if you just want to write down whatever you want to write down. If you want to vent, if you want to gossip, gossip in the book. You ain't gossiping to nobody else being messy. You're gossiping in your book. But yeah, I just wanted to do a giveaway of this I was going to say A5, y'all know I be getting them sizes mixed up. The A6 planner. I thought this was so cute. And once again, it's hashtag write it down. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you're following my Instagram if you have social media. So as long as you do those things, you should be fine. If you don't have social media, you know, we don't really care about all of it. But yeah, make sure, you know, all of that's in here. And yeah, may the best family member win. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.